is a video of Governor Charles Soludo dancing and jubilating and marrying with some women. Only God knows what is going on here. Hello my people, welcome back again to our channel. Let me ask you all a question. What would you do if your house was on fire and the person with the fire extinguisher is busy dancing like this, jubilating, like he doesn't care? Sounds very absurd, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening here. We are getting right into it from Anambra State. So as we speak, there's this trending video of Governor Charles Soludo at a women's gathering. The man was dancing, jubilating, and having the fun of his life. Now, don't get me wrong, everyone deserves to celebrate, I know. But here is the thing, Anambra State, which he governs, has been suffering from series of kidnappings, ritual activities, and serious security challenges. We all know, you who is watching this video, you know. And yet, the chief security officer of the state is out here celebrating like he just solved all the problems. It's really giving mixed signals as we speak online. Anambra State has been a hotspot for insecurity of late, from kidnappers terrorizing innocent people to ritualists carrying out unspeakable acts. It's like a horror movie out there, and then we see this video of the governor dancing and marrying like all is well. One would think he has finally tackled the insecurity issues plaguing the state, Abi. Now, the reactions on Twitter, honestly, it is nothing to write home about. People are attacking him left, right, center. The way they are busy dragging Governor Charles Soludo left and right, saying this isn't the time for celebrations. Others are even comparing him to Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma, like who is doing worst. It now looks as if they are in a competition of the worst governor from the southeast of Nigeria. Imagine that. It's a competition nobody is asking for, I beg. And to think just days ago, Soludo was awarded best governor in the southeast. Yes, he was awarded the best governor. The video is right here on our channel. You can just check out the details about how he became the best governor. People are now asking, best at what exactly? Honestly, it has everyone talking. So I want you to take your time and read what some of these Twitter users are saying. Just take your time and go through all of these tweets from people, their reactions. So far, here's the bigger question. How did we even get here? How did Anambra State get to this point? Because, let's face it, dancing won't solve this problem. Action will. So over to you, my people. What do you think about all of this? Should Governor Charles Soludo be out here celebrating while his state is in crisis? Or is it just another example of how our leaders have lost touch? Drop your thoughts in the comments.